Hey guys, today we are out at the Silver Lake sand dunes. As you can see behind me, there are two Lexus GX 460s. One's mine, one's my buddy Mike's. We're out here kind of just getting a baseline and testing out to see how these things perform. Mike's ready to go tackle some steep stuff and hit a jump or three, right? All right, let's do it. We've got the Cooper Discoverer AT3s. Mike's on Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. We've aired down to about 15, 18 PSI. So far, so good, no issues. Dude, the Lexus feels great up here. It's at home.
Sunroof open, I have my air conditioned seat on. Life is amazing.
I want complete and utter comfort.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, please lead off.
All right, here we go. Yeah, the GX is right at home here. It's no problem. It's a little bit bumpy, but honestly, after airing down, it's not too bad out here. It's not terribly rutted. And I keep the revs high. Don't really feel many traction issues or anything yet. And there's Lake Michigan. Isn't that wild? A bunch of sand, like you're in the middle of the desert, and then all of a sudden, one of the largest freshwater lakes in the world. Pretty crazy. Not as easy as it looks. I think we need more speed.
It's really soft.
Yeah.
Really, really soft.
Let's take that line.
Okay. That's some speed.
You just have to let your momentum carry you up. All right, these are some steep ones here, but I think we can make it. There we go. Just got to charge at it with a little bit more speed. That's no problem. We hit some little baby sand hills. Lexus did all right. Honestly, it's just our driving that needs some work. Need to get a little bit more momentum when we're picking up the beginning of these hills. Driving on sand is definitely a different discipline. It's a little bit more challenging than I remember in the Raptor and these GXs, but they can still handle it pretty well. Next, we headed down to a technical section of the dunes where we could play around in a slightly different terrain. Mud and sand mode, treating me well through there. Traction control's really kind of doing a good job finding grip. The only time I've gotten stuck today was when I just hit a hill that was a little bit steep and didn't have enough momentum going up it. Otherwise, the Lexus has done incredibly well out here. Okay guys, well, that's a day at the Silver Lake Sand Dunes of the GX. Definitely a lot more capability than I anticipated. I think mud and sand mode is helping me a lot, having that multi-terrain select. The traction control doesn't really kick in until you're at slow speeds. It does a pretty good job keeping the truck straight and giving you grip when you need it. I pretty much left that on the most of the time, and I didn't really notice any less traction with that than with everything off. If anything, everything off, the wheels were spinning more and I was digging into the sand a little bit. Tires performed awesome, vehicle performed great. My driving needs a little bit of work, but other than that, driving on sand is kind of difficult and takes some practice, but it's definitely a lot of fun to come out here. It's getting a little bit busy for my taste, so we're gonna head out and probably come back on a weekday with maybe my dad's FJ, maybe just this, we'll see. And we'll probably do Test Hill on that time too, because that's something that I want to conquer, and I know the GX can do it because I saw a Toyota Tacoma to do it, and it'd be pretty fun. So we've hit some hills that are pretty steep today, had a lot of fun, gotten kind of a feel for the GX, and seen some crazy stuff out here. If you guys ever are in the area, definitely come out to Silver Lake. You need an ORV permit, a trail permit, and recreation pass. All said and done, it's about 45, 46 bucks. And you can come out here and enjoy yourself all day. Bring the kids, bring the family, bring a picnic, and just have a good time. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in another video. Gas mileage at the dunes isn't quite the best. That's okay though, it's worth it.